How many slices of pizza can a person obtain by making n straight cuts with a pizza knife? With 0 straight cut, we have 1 region. With 1 straight cut, we get 2 regions. With 2 straight cuts, we can get 3 regions. If we place 2 parallel straight cuts, but that's not the only case here. If we let the straight cuts cross each other, we get 4 different regions. How about the 3 straight cuts? The maximum number of cut pizza slices we can get is can be 5, 6, 7. What kind of logic do we have to think about to make sure that there are a maximum number of pizzas? So first of all, when you make a cut, it shouldn't be a parallel with some line, because that will create less number of regions split by the new line. So for example, with line A and line B, and we are going to make another cut, but this time it's a parallel with line B. Then this will create only 2 new regions because it crosses line A only, creating 2 more regions from the old region. So 1 and 2 more additional from the 4 old regions. So there are 6 regions. Let's say this time we cross both lines, hence they are not parallel to either of them. We're going to cross line AB at most 2 points, creating 3 more regions. 1, 2, 3. So if we increase our cuts, the number of regions with n straight cut will be ln minus 1 plus the number of line that it crosses. It will cross at most n minus 1 points, because there are n minus 1 old lines, and if you cross n minus 1 old lines, it will create n new regions. Because here, for example, with 3 straight cuts, when we have third new line, when the maximum number you can cross the old lines is we have to make the line not parallel to either A or B, hence crossing their intersecting one of their points. Hence 2 points were crossed, creating 3 regions from the old, creating the maximum number of regions with 3 cuts. So we have the upper bound here, and now we have to prove that this is a necessity, meaning that we can achieve equality, not just inequality, by drawing the nth line. So just the illustration is, we have a lot of lines crossing each other, none of them parallel to each other, but a lot of them, and we're gonna let the nth line cross all the lines in the plane. Let nth line cross all the lines in the plane. Then it will meet we're gonna draw nth line such that it crosses all the lines in the plane. That means n-1 lines, and intersections all at different places. So it'll have n-1 new intersections, creating n new lines, n new regions in the plane. So it has to have ln equal n-1 plus n is achieved. We can go on to prove the closed form for this, but as long as you thought of how to draw and deduce from the smaller cases, then there wouldn't be any big problem to solve other than the induction step. But I'm gonna skip that. It's just the idea that I want to explore with you guys. So keep tuned